Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Welcome back. It felt like fall out there this morning. Temperatures descended into the 40s and 50s. This afternoon should be really pleasant, though, hiking up into the lower 80s for today with plenty of sunshine. Tomorrow, there is the chance of seeing some thunderstorms make a return, and then we'll have a quiet start to next week. Some sunshine, seasonable conditions as we gradually heat things up. There's the view in Grand Rapids right now, where you can see that we have mostly clear skies with us on this Friday. The temperature is measured at 71 degrees. The wind is from the east, now sustained at 9 miles per hour. It's not quite as blustery as what we experienced on Thursday. Current temperatures, those are between about 70 and 75 degrees. It is now 73 as you step down toward Allegan, 70 in Sturgis, 69 the update in Big Rapids. We have a temperature of 73 at the lakeshore in Muskegon. And the wind is steered in from the east-southeast, right around 5 to 10 miles per hour, and should sit within that range for this afternoon. Stepping through our day then, expecting mostly sunny skies, warming things up, very seasonable. High temperatures reaching just above 80 degrees for today. If you're headed to the beach, you should have much nicer conditions than yesterday, as it looks like wave heights will be between about 1 and 2 feet, and those lake water temperatures continue to look rather nice too in the 60s and 70s. Tomorrow looks to be the most active day this weekend. We have a chance of seeing showers and storms, especially through the early afternoon hours, and then things settle back down on Sunday with a high temperature of about 79 degrees. There's a look at what's happening on Storm Track Live. High pressure continues to circulate nearby, and you can find that we have some quiet conditions over most of the Great Lakes states. Further off to the west, you can see our next system, which is going to be impacting us tomorrow. That's stirring up some showers through the Dakotas into Minnesota, and we should expect that to continue to make its journey to the east. As it does so, it does present the chance of picking up on some severe weather. You can see that level 2 out of 5 inside of the yellow region on your screen, encompassing most of lower Michigan. And it's really the wind that appears to be the biggest threat with these storms if they do happen to come through as we go through the course of the day tomorrow. We'll step through time here on Futurecast. And again, it shows that we'll have the sunshine with us for today, rather peaceful conditions. Getting towards 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, we'll have some more cloud cover filter in. At 2 o'clock, you can begin to see some of those showers advancing through. And again, as you move near and south of I-96, that's where we have the greatest expectation of having some of those stronger storms occur. Still fine-tuning some of the details as far as timing and some of the points that will be greatest impacted. But again, it appears that south of Grand Rapids, you have a growing chance at receiving some of those stronger storms. As they move through, it looks like we could have some wind gusts between about 50 and 70 miles per hour, and then things will quiet down as we move into Sunday, finishing out the weekend on a sunny note. As far as the rainfall goes, to the south, there could be as much as about 3/4 of an inch in Kalamazoo, so some isolated heavy totals. Meanwhile, to the north, you can see hardly a trace of rain. So again, we are continuing to evaluate that chance of some damaging winds associated with the storms tomorrow, midday into the early afternoon, posing the greatest risk. The 8-day forecast showing highs in the lower 80s through the start of next week, and then the return of more heat and storm chances.